Look at this, guys. There's the pup. And you thought last week's snow we showed you on the ground was lots. Remember I cleaned all that? Well, we got another 10 inches this week. In some places it's about a foot. But I think about 10 inches fell. I just did a little bit of shoveling, that's all. Pop loves snow. He doesn't mind. Yeah, I gotta pull out the snowblower again. I'm gonna be a real pro here. I got lots of work to do. And look at that car. It's like a giant marshmallow. Look at that. I was worried bringing this car in last night. We came in last night late. And they just plowed the road out there. One of the neighbors told me they just plowed it. It was pretty late when they did it. And I thought, can I get in the yard now? If not, I'm going to pull out the blower and blow. But this thing here went through the snow like a hot knife through butter. No problem. All-wheel drive. And I just went right through it. I think I could drive around the whole yard with that car. So yeah, time to clean up, guys. I'll show you a few snowblower clips. So guys, I've done quite a bit. I did over by the garage, and now I'm working on that road. I'm getting pretty used to the snowblower. There's a little too much snow here for it, but I'm enjoying doing it. I'm out getting some fresh air. It's not too cold. I think it's about -7 or -8. And no wind, and the sun is finally shining after about 10 days. So it's not too bad, but it'd be nice to have something with a blade on it. There's the pup, still rolling. I did all the driveway to the road, you've seen that. Yeah, it's a major job. A little too much for a snowblower, but if I didn't have a snowblower, I'd be doing this for a week with a shovel because I'd have to take about 1,000,000 breaks. Kullike shovel the path around the house. I was going to go with the blower there too, but not today. So yeah, look at that, about 10 inches. So guys, I'll end the video here. Just wanted to show you how it's like on the farm. Second snowfall already, and the first one was about 4 to 5 inches, and this one's at least 10 inches. Pop sure enjoying it. So thanks for watching, and if you're new here, please subscribe. We'd love to have you on the channel.